Good evening, friends. Welcome to my channel, Trading Nifty in Setup and Rules. Friends, in this channel, you will only see rules and setups and nothing else. There's no random trading. We do not do any random trading. Friends, what we had discussed the earlier day, that if the market opens flat or slight gap up and it touches the upper end of the channel, I shall take a put and we'll wait way up to here. And then at this point, when it comes to the bottom, I shall take a call and then also make profits. So friends, I took a put here, but I exited early because for some reasons I exited early, not because of the setup, but some other reasons. Had my reason not been there, then I'd have sat the whole way down. Then friends, I took a call here and then exited at this candle. Friends, as I say to you that every day I will show my P&L, and here is my P&L that you can see. I made around 1.49, out of which on the setup, on the put that I took a put of 18,300, I made 78K. On the call that I took, I made 34. Then subsequently after that, at this point, when I realized that the market is going to close in and around 7,900, I took a straddle and 7,900 C and P sell, and that gave me some profits. So friends, after a long time, thank you very much. We saw the green face, and I'm happy about it. So friends, now that's bygones are bygones. Let's look into what can happen tomorrow, and I'm deleting this. Friends, one channel I want you to draw on a 1 hour time frame, and this is from my friend Shivang, who has shown me this channel. Shivang, thank you very much. And his channel is trading with the doc, so you can also join that. Now, this is the channel. This is one support line that the Nifty has been following. Now, if you see here how it has followed, if I look into a brush and it has come down here, it's come down here. That's how it is followed, and it is at the pinnacle point of this particular trend line, this particular setup. Now, friends, before I go into any further analysis, I would also want to show you a few other things. Let's go into the weekly candle, and here I go into the weekly candle. Okay, here. Now, my Guruji, what does my Guruji say? My Guruji said is that there is a pattern that is forming. One, two red, two green, and then it can also form two reds here. Yes, it can form. Friends, in order to analyze what can happen on the weekly basis, I've just drawn this particular parallel channel. What Nifty can do, this is option number one. It can come down up to the low end of this channel, which is somewhere around 17,600, form a W pattern, and then or a double bottom pattern, whatever you may call, because this is a pushpa W. The first, the left shoulder of the W is lower than the right shoulder of the W, and then it can move up. Option number one. Option number two, Nifty can say, thank you very much. The lower bottom is done. I am done with being lower, so let me go up, and from it can shoot up. Friends, there are a couple of other things that I also want to just share with you. When the market is volatile, and when there are too much uncertainties, and the traders run for safe haven. And what is a safe haven? The safe haven is gold. And what happens is that when there is a uncertainty in the market, when there is a volatility, the prices of gold go up. When I look into my gold commodity prices, it's down 2% today. And when the gold, along with the gold, what happens is that if there's too much of volatility, too much of uncertainty, the gold price will go up and my currency will also depreciate. But my currency, USD INR, has also appreciated. So somehow I am not getting that conviction that we are in a zone which we should be scared of. We are in a zone which we should be scared of. Now, even though the data that has come out of the FIRs and the pros, the data shows a real scary scenario, but I don't think I'm much scared in today's scenario. So friends, with this, how shall we trade tomorrow? Now, everybody knows that if it breaks 17,861, the market is going to come down to 17,700. Everybody, I mean, you pick up anybody and ask him what's going to happen tomorrow, they will say that market is going to come down. But friends, when things are very obvious, my Guruji says that when things are very obvious, the market does not give you the obvious. The reason I'm saying is that, friends, tomorrow be cautious. Be cautious. Now, keep this trend line drawn here on a 1 hour channel. Okay? This trend line. Keep it drawn on your charts. Situation number 1. If the market breaks this channel and on a 15-minute candle, 15-minute candle is below this, then with the SL of 17,859, I shall take with the SL of 17,859 and I'll draw the SL line here. This Chintu candle. So SL of 17,859 or 17,860. Let me say this is 17,861. Yeah. With the SL of 17,861, I shall take a put and I'll wait till 17,700. 17,861 minus 100 is 17,761, but I shall wait for 17,700. Okay. Now, that's scenario if it opens flat, 30, 40, 50 points, comes down, that's one scenario. Second scenario is that if it opens gap up and crosses this particular line, and above this my black line and this particular line, and that level is around 18,000. If it crosses 18,000, just crosses, not settles, just crosses 18,000, I shall take a call with the first target of 18,100. Okay? Here, that's one. Now, friends, between 17,964, this particular candle, 17,964, between 17,964 and 17,861, that's close to 100 points, I shall not be trading. This is for me a no trading zone because I do not know whether it's going to dance up or whether it's going to dance down. So if I take a trade anywhere, my SL will be 50 points and my rewards will be 50 points. So I don't want to take a trade. So that's a brief analysis from my side, friends. If you like my channel, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much. Cheers. Sayonara. Bye-bye.